This is a short video this morning on the Oripure Acoustic Guitar Pickup. I had seen these advertised on eBay and had noticed one video on YouTube, but I didn't see any specifics. It sounded good, but I wanted to just check it out myself. I ordered one, and it's very nice. It comes all one piece. The pickup has the cable attached and the end pin plug. All I had to do was drill a hole, and a little less than a ½ inch in diameter, and I was able to run the pin out so that I could connect it to my amplifier. Very pleased with it. The pickup comes from Shenzhen, China. Took 18 days to get here, which was not bad at all. And I'm very impressed with it because the little pickup comes with a volume and tone control, and I haven't seen any others with that. It also has ceramic magnets, and basically that's about it. It does come with 2 extra sets of cork cushions that are used to for the clamps on each end, so that if the originals wear out, you've got 2 extra sets to use, which I thought was very nice. It came very well packaged and in a secure heavy plastic box. So all I can say is I'm very impressed with it, and I like the sound. I hope my volume is good enough with this camera. I haven't put too many of these videos on, so bear with me. But I just wanted to kind of give you an idea. My amplifier is just a Vox Valvetronics unit, little 30 watt unit, and all the controls are set to a flat setting, just to give you an idea. But this is just your basic A chord. The controls that I have on the microphone, I just have them about midway on the volume and the tone. Now, if I run the tone to a very mellow tone, I'll just turn it all the way down. Now I'll turn it up to the brightest sounding. So you do have some control over the tone with the settings on the little mic or little pickup. So I thought that was pretty neat because I haven't seen any others that had that. So as far as I can say, I'm very pleased with it. I'll try to put a link on the YouTube video where you can go to purchase these, but I found it on eBay, and the people are very courteous. They respond to your emails, and like I said, I can't be more happier with it. It just has a great sound, I think. This should work out fine for me. Like I say, these are just the mid settings. You can adjust them however you desire. Hope this helps give you a little insight into the Oripure Acoustic Guitar Pickup. Give it a shot. Can't hurt anything. To me, it's an excellent purchase. Thank you very much. Have a great day.